In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to integrate Klaviyo with HubSpot. We'll walk through the full setup so your marketing and sales data stay in sync and you can make smarter decisions with reliable insights. Start in your Klaviyo dashboard. Head to the integrations area, then open Explore Apps. This is where you'll find available connectors that bridge Klaviyo with other platforms. In the search bar, type HubSpot, and you'll see options to connect the two. Choose a connector that fits your needs, such as Outfunnel, which is commonly used to pass engagement data between the platforms. Click Install to begin. The installer will guide you to connect your accounts. Make sure you're logged into the correct HubSpot portal and Klaviyo workspace, especially if you work across multiple accounts. When prompted, log into both platforms and click Allow or Authorize to grant the necessary permissions. This enables the connector to read and write the data you choose, so review the scopes and confirm they align with your compliance policies. Next, create the connection by selecting HubSpot CRM and Klaviyo as your endpoints. Then click Authenticate. Once the connection is established, choose what you want to sync. Most teams start with contacts and engagements to ensure both audience profiles and their interactions are available on both sides. Continue to the setup screens to fine-tune exactly what gets sent. Configure your event sync. Decide which Klaviyo events you want to appear in HubSpot, such as email opens, email clicks, unsubscribes, and bounces. A practical approach is to enable opens and clicks for engagement tracking, and to enable unsubscribe and bounce events for list hygiene and compliance monitoring. This gives your sales and success teams a clear view of who's active and who should be excluded. Set your sync limits. You can sync all contacts or limit the sync to specific lists or segments if you have tightly defined audiences. If you're unsure, start with all contacts to validate the connection, and then narrow down later as your workflows mature. Map your contact field so data lands where it belongs. Match email to email, first name to first name, and last name to last name. If you use extra profile properties, add custom field mappings now. It's also wise to enable the option to create a new contact if it doesn't exist, ensuring no valuable lead gets dropped. Finally, click Activate. That's it. Your Klaviyo and HubSpot accounts are now synced. Give the first sync a moment, then watch your contacts and engagements flow seamlessly. Thanks for watching.